Hi. I have an Ikea LAGAN integrated dishwasher. It suddenly started sounding like it's trying to fill up even though the door is open, but there is no water inside the dishwasher. The only way to stop this is to unplug from the mains.
Do you know the model of your IKEA dishwasher? How old is it?
LAGAN. Product No 911 539 179 Type 623-2. Serial No 90222694.
What have you tried so far with your IKEA dishwasher?
Nothing since this problem occurred.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
When plugged back in, it immediately sounds like it's trying to fill up even with the door open. The indicator lights are off and the power button doesn't work.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. This is James. I'm an appliance repair technician with over 10 years of experience, and I'll be assisting you today. Sorry to hear your appliance is having issues. Please stand by while I find the answer for you. This is not an immediate service, however, I will try and respond as soon as possible. Does the noise sound like a humming noise, and did it start at the end of a program or just randomly when on standby?
Just randomly while it was off.
Based on the symptoms reported, it's likely the fault is caused by the flood sensor located in the base detecting water. Start by removing the kickboard along the bottom. This should just pull off, then open the door and remove the bracket either side of the appliance which holds it into the cupboard void. Finally, screw in the feet to drop it down, and pull it out of the void. Once removed, you need to close the door and power off the machine at the wall. Once off, tilt the washer at a steep angle forward and hold it in place for 30 seconds, stand it upright, and then turn on power. The pump should have stopped running, and you should now be able to run a program to confirm the fault has cleared.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.